Upon Westminister Bridge. Title, central idea, subject, nature poet. Same questions, same answer. Wordsworth was a nature poet. He was a true nature lover in the history of English literature. In 1802, it is said that Wordsworth composed it, sitting on the roof of a carriage while he was going to France with his sister Dorothy. Upon Westminster Bridge, Wordsworth draws a picture of beauty of London through his words. The sun helps to depict the picture of beauty in the morning. The title refers to a grand scenic beauty that stirs the poet's mind. The poet, on his way to Dover from London, is deeply moved by the incomparable beauty of the city of London, viewed from Westminster Bridge. Early in the morning, ships, towers, domes, theatres, and temples are glittering brightly in the smokeless air. The Thames flows freely. The spectacle is wonderful. The sun is shining brightly. It seems to wear a new dress. The poet has never experienced such deep calmness. He is worshipping nature by his words. এতক্ষণ যা পড়লাম, যতটা পড়লাম সেটা কমন হবে অ্যান্সার। তারপরে যদি টাইটেল থাকে তাহলে শুধু টাইটেলের জন্য এই অংশটা। The title clearly indicates the time and place of such a wonderful experience, so it is appropriate. তাহলে টাইটেল থাকলে এটা হলো। আচ্ছা, স্ট্রাকচার যদি থাকে, it is the Petrarchan sonnet. The rhyme scheme octave is A B A B B A A B B A. The octave describes the city. The city sestet portrays the emotion that the beauty of the city evokes in the poet's mind. তাহলে একটা ক্লিয়ার রাখতে হবে যে প্রথম 8 লাইন এ বিবি অর্থাৎ 4 and 4 8 লাইনস হচ্ছে অক্টেভ, আর তারপরে 6 লাইন সিডি হচ্ছে সেস্টেট। এটা মনে রাখতে হবে।